So I've started a subreddit r/voicey here, designed specifically for you to submit your stories to be read on this channel. You can also go contribute by upvoting the stories you would like to see dramatized. This channel will now have 3 series of stories that you can tag when you wholesome stories. One of those or all of them. Stay tuned because we've got a bartender has to deal with an old couple that wants 20 samples of free beer without paying. And we have our first fan-based submission. A story about a choosing beggar that claims her family is poor and so demands the touch of a schoolgirl every single day, but it only gets worse from there. We've got a lot of exciting things happening here on the channel, so hit that like and subscribe button and let's get straight into this. This one is called I'll Just Sample Everything You Have on Tap. A bit of backstory. I work at a small brewery as a bartender in the Chicagoland area, and because we're so small, customer satisfaction is key, aka being a huge pushover. We give out samples when people ask, as profit free if the person is kind, per purchase. And an old couple come in and slide up to the bar and grab a seat. Both the other bartender and I are helping other customers. We'll both say hi to acknowledge that we see them, and we'll be there as soon as possible. The person I'm currently with asks for a sample of a specific beer, and immediately after trying it, gets a pint. Yay efficiency. I go up to the couple. The woman is the choosing beggar, the husband will be sad man. Hey guys, welcome. How can I... What did you just give that lady? Pardon? In that tiny glass. What did you give her? Oh, just a sample of beer to make sure that she liked it before buying. Oh, that sounds good. I'll have that. I'm sorry, would you like to try the same beer? She looked at me as though I was a complete idiot. She sighed loudly at her husband and then started talking obnoxiously slow as though I didn't understand English. What is hard to understand? I want a sample. I was getting frustrated. Right, what beer would you like to sample? I'll just try everything you have on tap. I honestly thought she was joking at this point. My customers and I usually give each other a hard time. It's all in good fun. I chuckled and didn't move. Big mistake, I guess. What do you think is so funny? You want me to give you a free sample of the 20 beers that I have on tap? That's what I said, young man. Isn't this your job? Well, my job is to sell the beer, not to give it all out for free. Tell you what, I'm gonna go help a couple other customers. The bar had become pretty full of unserved customers at this point, and I didn't want this shrew not wasting all of my time. You take a look at the menu, and I'd be more than happy to give you. I started to walk away. Here, say to all my bar patrons out there, please.
as well. Israel and Jake like to make videos for the web. Oh, I love it when he does this. Oh, by the way, if you can't meet us in person, you can always chat with us online. Think of us as collaborators, production partners, problem solvers. This is Greg. He's made 5 gold records. Here's Jake, the king of the candles. Wait, I'm not ready, Jake. Sometimes we geek out and help each other, but mostly we're here to help you. Like Lenny, you're still going, because there's a lot to say when you're making some pretty important decisions. So now you've met 16 of over 1,000 employees. 16 reasons our customers like to do business with people, not alcoholics. We are being
Young man, you haven't helped us at all. You are a small business and you need support from your locals. I said I want to sample what you have to offer, and you are obligated to do so. So, chop chop. No. Excuse me? I'm not obligated to do anything for you. I ask what you want. You tell me. I bring it. You pay me money. That is our business transaction. You don't get to boss me around.
This is ridiculous. You can't expect to succeed while treating your customers like this. I demand to see your manager.
This has never happened to me before, and I've been waiting for it to finally happen. I had been promoted to manager a year ago. That's awesome. Let me get him. I extend my hand. My name is Bob. I currently manage the tap room. Is there a problem here?
If you're the manager, then how are you comfortable speaking to your customers like this?
Well, the thing is, you aren't a customer. Customers pay for things. As such, if you aren't interested in making a purchase, I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
This is why people hate craft beer. You're all just a bunch of snobs and jerk faces.
Thank you so much for coming in. I'm sorry you feel that way. Please enjoy the rest of your weekend. The choosing beggar and sad man didn't say a word the entire time. Awesome. Get up and angrily walk towards the door, where we have a fridge of 6-packs to go. I start helping other customers, finally, only to be snapped at again by the choosing beggar. Very patiently and politely been waiting. I come back over to her. Hi, how can I help you?
I want this.
Okay, sure, that'll be $11.
$11 for a 6-pack? I won't pay it.
That's fine, you can leave it up here with me and I'll put it back.
But I want it.
Okay, that'll be $11.
I'll give you 8. It's not like you need all the money. Give me a discount. I'm trying to support you.
Ma'am, please leave. I always feel the complete opposite to this choosing beggar when I ever get free samples or something. I mean, I'm excited. I'm like, cool, I wish I could have like 20. Whether it's like ice cream samples at Baskin & Robbins, or beer samples at a craft beer place. I'm not sure which ones I want to sample, and I feel really awkward like asking for more than obviously like 2 or 3. So I'm like, alright, I gotta choose which ones I want to sample right the first time. But even asking more than one sample, I just feel really awkward. I'm like, I'm paying for this. What if I sample one and I don't like it, but now I feel like I have to buy one? I guess that's why they do it, right? Our next story comes from one of you. Remember, if you'd like to submit your story, join the new subreddit r/voiceyhere, or if you'd like to vote on the stories that might make it in the show, go to the link in the description and subscribe to the subreddit. Thank you, Auntie Mags, for submitting the first fan-based story on Voicey Here. I've had a ton of choosing beggar friends over the years, but this one story I want to